We're going to explain the value error, invalid format specifier error in Python. This error pops up when you try to use a format specifier in a string formatting operation that Python doesn't understand. Let's break down why this happens and how to fix it. 1. Understanding format specifiers. Python offers several ways to format strings, including the %2 operator, older style, and f-strings, newer, more preferred. Format specifiers are the parts within the string that tell Python how to insert variables or values. For example, in fun02d %5, fun02d is the format specifier, instructing Python to represent the integer 5 as a 2-digit number with leading zeros, resulting in 05. F-strings use a similar but slightly different syntax. For example, f/502 achieves the same result. 2. Common causes of the error. The value error, invalid format specifier, usually arises from typos or misunderstandings of the available specifiers. 2.1. Typos, a simple mistype like fezzentude instead of centertude or f-value-zertude instead of f-value-ertude, missing the closing curly brace, will trigger this error. Carefully review your format specifiers for any spelling mistakes or missing characters. 2.2. Incorrect specifier types. Each specifier has a specific meaning. Using a specifier designed for integers, frag d, with a floating point number will likely cause an error. Similarly, using a specifier for strings, s, with a numerical value might work, but may not produce the desired output. Make sure the format specifier matches the data type of the variable you're inserting. For example, %f %10, using the floating point specifier f to format an integer, might work, but %10, using the string specifier s, is generally better practice for readability. 2.3. Unsupported specifiers. Some format specifiers are only available with certain formatting methods. The % operator has a different set of specifiers compared to f-strings. If you mix the syntax and e.g., trying to use an f-string specifier with the % operator or vice versa, you'll encounter this error. 3. Troubleshooting and solutions. 3.1. Check for typos. Double-check your spelling and ensure all opening and closing brackets or parentheses match. 3.2. Verify data types. Make sure your format specifiers are appropriate for the data type of the values being inserted. Use type your variable test to check the data type if you're unsure. 3.3. Use the right method. Choose either the % operator or f-strings consistently. Mixing both styles within a single formatting operation isn't recommended. F-strings are generally preferred for their readability and features. 3.4. Consult the documentation. Python's documentation provides a comprehensive list of format specifiers for both the %t operator and f-strings. Refer to it to understand the correct syntax and available options. In summary, the value error, invalid format specifier error in Python, is usually caused by minor mistakes in your string formatting code. By carefully checking your specifiers for typos, ensuring they match your data types, and using a consistent formatting method, preferably f-strings, you can easily resolve this error. Remember to consult Python's documentation for a complete reference on format specifiers if needed.